guys, I'm in Hong Kong Toy Fair. Let's show around and find some interesting toy products. Many manufacturers and many suppliers to sell different products, remote control cars, plushie toys, and AI toys, something like this. Tiny little things, so cute. So cute, this product. This for baby, right? Yeah. Baby products. Yeah. How to use it? Can you show me again? Okay. So interesting. How much one piece?
US dollar is 5.5.
Where?
Just the press code. Press code.
Okay. And the MOQ?
MOQ is 100 pieces.
100 pieces. And where is your factory?
Located in Shanghai.
Shanghai. And your FOB port, where is your?
Shantou.
Shantou?
Yes.
Shantou, okay. So interesting fans. So cute, something like this. Okay. This fairy toy, so cute, so for this. So cute, right? Many types. How much one piece? 49.
Yes.
With the box, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So cute. Smart Fluke. So cute. Grams. Tomatoes. And wow. Ooh. So cute. Light box, something like this, and this also this dinosaur, small dinosaur inside. Merry Christmas toy trees as a little train around here. So cute.
Maganda naman talaga yung quality niya.
So cute, this plastic. Hi, can you support OEM or ODM?
We support all.
Or what is the MOQ?
MOQ depends on the size.
The size, okay.
The size.
Generally, the MOQ.
Generally between 2,000 pieces.
Oh, and generally the price, unit price.
Depends on size and design and the
Okay.
material.
Okay, thanks. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. How to play this? Oh.
嘅西膠嚟。其實我建議都係呢個聲嘅。
没有，这是跟我会甩尾的那种，才